you think about this, and I'll discuss it next time. Suppose, we just had a swine flu scare. Government ended up grossly overestimating the likelihood of such a pandemic. But we'll show reasons why it's rational to err on the side of caution in these things. All right. And the question you think about for class on Tuesday is, well, what would be the cost of a pandemic similar to the flu pandemic that occurred in 1918, 1919? Look up some numbers on that, and I'll test you on Tuesday, and then try to give a value for the world. Tell me, what would be your estimate of what the cost to the world would be of a pandemic equal in magnitude to 1918, 1919 flu pandemic, which was the greatest pandemic, not in history, there were worse ones, but in the last century and three-quarters or whatever. Okay. And then answer the question: how much are we willing to pay to try to avoid that? Okay. So that will be your assignment for Tuesday.